This is a fantastic opportunity to purchase a secluded home, prime areas for hunting, outdoor recreation, and building sites in northern Indiana, plus wooded tracts, pond, and wetlands. Metzger Property Services presents these 138 acres in Wabash County, selling at live auction October 26th with online bidding available. Just minutes from North Manchester and less than a half hour south of Warsaw, this property is in Pleasant Township of Wabash County at 13033 North 750 West, Silver Lake, Indiana. These 138 acres will be offered in 5 individual tracts, combinations, and the entirety. Tract 1 is 20 acres and features a secluded log home accessed by a long paved driveway. The home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a finished walkout basement, plus 3-car attached garage. Other home features include open concept kitchen, living and dining rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows, as well as stone fireplace, vaulted beamed ceilings, and loft. The large deck and screened-in porch are perfect for enjoying the beautiful country views on Tract 1, while the family room in the finished basement has a wood-burning stove and patio doors leading to the patio and yard. Tract 2 and Tract 3 are each 20 acres of woods, and both are exceptional properties for hunting and outdoor recreation. Tract 4 is 58 acres of wetlands, another natural area well suited for hunting and outdoor sports. Tract 5 is 20 acres in size and features a pond, an ideal site for building a dream home. Visit this property and see this incredible opportunity for yourself. Don't miss the open house, Thursday afternoon, October 20th from 5:30 to 6 o'clock. Magnificent, secluded log home, recreational property, or building sites, these 138 acres in Wabash County, Indiana will sell at auction Wednesday evening, October 26th at 6:30. Auction will be held on site with online bidding available through the Metzger Property Services website. For additional information, call 260-982-0238 or visit the website metzgerauction.com.